Remember when we thought we would have it all figured out by now? Yeah, here's what I learned. I don't have it all figured out by now. And that is the beautiful part. Every gray hair on this head represents a problem solved. Every laugh line around these eyes represents a moment of pure joy. And every scar on this body represents a story of survival. But here's one thing they don't tell you and me about the midlife years. We don't have to apologize for taking up space in the world. We don't have to age gracefully, which I interpret as fade away. This is the point where we realize that our voice matters, not despite our age, but because of our age. Your life experience is a masterclass in joy, love, growth, and resilience. And that peace that you're feeling right now in the midlife years, that is you settling into your own skin and finding that it fits perfectly. This world may worship youth, but here's another thing they don't tell us about the midlife years. There is a profound beauty that comes from aging. There is this deep, rich, soul-level confidence that only comes with living a full and deeply fulfilling life. You are not invisible. You are invaluable. You are becoming the fullest, completest, most beautiful version of yourself. And it is breathtakingly beautiful, my friend. To all of my midlife sisters out there, these are the best years of our lives right now. Keep shining and let your light guide others. From someone who sees you and someone who gets you.